So I'm going through, I'm going to replace the handle. I'm going to put a new RVLock handle on. It's inside charging right at the moment, but from what I can see, I'm just going to try and show the steps of how this works on the Axis 24.1. First, take out these 3 screws, one here, one here, one here. We'll start there. So looks like once you get the handle off, just toss it to the side. This. All right, so there must be. Oh, there it goes. So here's that part. Well, that looks pretty easy so far. Now, some of them, some RVs, I know it says that they have a calibration screw. I do not see any kind of a calibration screw over here on the side or anything like that. Nothing in the door. So it should. I know there's something that you make sure that this part actually works from what I saw in the video. But here I'll go grab the other one. We'll see how this works. So it was actually pretty easy to do this. Once you fit the other side in, put the three screws in. That's it. Just make sure that once you have this on, push this in, push that up, and then test it. Make sure you test it on both sides, handle in this, and then you can reset. You press and hold this, and then it'll reset it, and you can set your code on the other side. You can do the learn for the actual remote controls. Other than that, I mean, that's it. It works just like everything else. Perfect fit, no problems whatsoever.